believe it or not, this is actually a lawn.
Oh, somebody's looking for bugs. Oh my goodness. Look at this. More problems. Great. I got blurry. What's up, everybody? Roll back with another video and another problema. Great. After a long day of work, let's take a look. Guess what, everybody? If it's not one thing, it's another. Anyways, another problem in the yard. Take a look. I don't even want to fix this, seriously. There's so much crap going on with my lawn. I leave to work and this happens. Telling you, those birds. You either got bugs or you got the birds getting the bugs. Look at it. Told you. See? Oh, man. No. Daddy's doing this really quick, Mama. Daddy got invaded by the birds. Great. You see that? One problem after the other. Now you believe me? So this whole section here ripped out. Great. This is just going to be a quick fix. Had a long day today. I'm just going to use this to fill that, call it a day. There you go, everybody. Quick fix. That's it. I'm not even going to bother. What's the point? I just threw some topper on there. Nothing special. Stomped it down. You know, moved it around with my fingers. And then threw some right on top. Why? Because, Jesus, oh my goodness, the neighbors now. Reason why you ask is because if I just leave it like that, put the grass back, it's all gonna die off. This way, if I put topper on it, some of this grass that was dug up will survive. All right, neighbors are coming. Let me end it. All right, it's nice and quiet now. No distractions. So let me quickly explain. I just put some topper on, stomped on it, put some topper down, moved it around with my hands. And the reason why I did that was because the grass that was plucked out by the birds, if I just throw it back, it is gonna pretty much die. This way, if I throw the topper on it, cover it up, more than likely 50% chance it may survive. May not, it's okay. This will fill it in. But put it here, 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 there, and right there, right there. So, yep. I mean, you say, oh, this is not a big deal because you got all that going on. But this was nice. And now I got a problem here. The birdies are getting all whatever's in here and over there. But they're attacking here and not there. So maybe those bugs are dead and these ones are trying to survive. So I don't know. But I'm telling you, things keep happening to me. But this is looking good. It's starting to push. But let's keep it short, everybody. That's the new problem of the day. Alright, everybody. That's it. Short video, I know. Just wanted to share with you what happened when I got home. Birds attacked me. Bugs attacked me. And then the birds attacked me. It's a lose-lose. I don't know. I guess my lawn is attracting all kinds of different species. Alright, everybody. Like always, keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Got the sprinklers running. Ugh. Great. Yep. That just happened. So I just put the sprinklers on just to kind of water it in. Great. Now let's see what happens here. First there. Now here. What's next? I just realized, everybody, I have another video that I'm supposed to finish editing right now that I'm home from work, and I just made another video and I wanted to release this one today, but I guess this one will be released tomorrow. So today's Sunday. I guess you'll see this one Monday of the bird problem, and then hopefully tonight you'll see the other video that I'm trying to put out for you guys. Just when I thought I can catch up with the videos, I fall behind. Let's stay positive, everybody. But always keep smiling and do what you gotta do.